Hey, are you trying to create a digital marketing sales funnel so you can actually sell and promote your products or be able to promote other affiliate offers? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to actually show you an easy and effective way to be able to build any kind of funnel that you want to be able to build, even if you're an affiliate marketing beginner and you're just getting started for the first time. I'm going to make this very, very simple, and I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I've been able to do with this funnel builder right here. So here's the funnel builder tool that I use. Here's my traffic store, profitbuilderstraffic.com. And I mean, as you can see right here, everything is very easy to go and edit. It's all click and edit, right? So you could do blocks and things like that. It makes it very, very simple for you to edit anything. And the cool thing about it is you don't have to know how to design pages. This is very, very simple to use, and I can track every single lead that comes into this builder. So I know where the leads are coming from. I know who's coming from where. I have a contact manager right here. I go to contacts. I have an appointment booking widget, right? So you don't need any appointment booker. People are paying hundreds of dollars for their appointment booker. You have a contact manager. You have everything that you need in here to be able to track everything that you're doing. So here's one of my products right here. It's a traffic store, right? So you could create membership sites. You could create your own funnels. You can create your own products. You could create giveaways that you give to people when they sign up with you. And how I like to look at this is basically, if you're a part of a network marketing company, they're going to need a system. So you got to give people a system to be able to get results, to be able to build your teams, to be able to grow your teams in network marketing. The best way to actually do that is to create your own systems and don't use the company pages. Now, if you're in an affiliate marketing offer, you have to create your own funnels for that as well. And, branding yourself is the best way to actually do that. So, basically the cool thing about this is if you're working with other people, you can manage your funnel. So here's my here's my traffic store right here, but I could go and I can go back and I could manage people's funnels. So I could go into any one of these people's funnels and help them with their funnel. So anybody that you're working with, the very, very cool thing about this is you can access their funnels without them having to know too much. They just have to send an email and you have funnel builder access to their funnels, which is really cool because when you're working with people, you want to be able to support them, right? So if you're a leader, if you're somebody that knows how to build stuff, if you're good at that kind of stuff, it makes it very, very easy and simple to be able to do that. And the cool thing about it is if I go into, um, you know, a builder, so, let's say I go into Booker's builder, for example, he has his pages here, and now I'm in his builder because I have access to his funnel. So if I wanted to add a page, it's very, very easy. I just come down here and I hit add new step, and then I just add a page or I add a pop-up, or I could divide it by a section label so you know what parts of the funnel are to certain funnels. So this is a section label right here, and then there's other things. So if you want to add a page, you can just add a page like that. And then the cool thing about this funnel builder is we have a professional area of templates that you can use for anything, and these are pro-made templates by a professional funnel builder that designs everything for me, right? And you have access to this section for free with the funnel builder tool. So you get the funnel builder tool for $25 per month, and you get access to all these templates. And then if you have a team or somebody that you're working with that you have specific templates, you can have a section in here for them to be able to grab templates from you, right? It makes it very easy for you to work with teams, for you to work with different people. If you have an agency, if you have a network marketing opportunity, or if you're selling your own products and you have multiple different products, you come in here and you can grab one of these professional, nicely designed pages that other platforms, the competitors like High Level and ClickFunnels and things like that, they charge up to $300 per month for pages like this, right? And this is very, very clean stuff. So you can get your hands on this for only $25 per month by clicking on the link below this video. And I have a hero page that basically shows how I've been able to make money online by creating my own system. So if you want to know that, make sure you click on the link below this video, and it's going to show you how I've been able to do that. And I've been able to use systems like this, right? So you create your own system around your opportunity, and you have access to all these nice funnel designs, and you don't have to know how to do too much of anything, right? And then we have coaching right here. We have how to actually do it. So if you want to learn how to do all this stuff, it's really cool because we show you how to do different kinds of things, like how to buy your own domain, how to get a business email and domain, how to integrate your domain with your funnel builder and your autoresponder and get that all set up, how to do your DMARC, SPF, and DKIM records so you get high deliverability when it comes to emails. And then we show you different things like how to create your own pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to share your funnels, how to do a URL redirect so you can redirect whatever your offers are off your main domain so you have a nice link, how to create your own pages. So right here we have membership sites, upsells and downsells, selling your own products. So it's really, really powerful. For only $25 per month, you get access to all this training, and you also get access to the templates that I was showing you in the funnel builder tool, right? And my traffic store, Profit Builder's traffic, was created off here. And by the way, if you want high quality traffic, then go to my traffic store. There's going to be a link in the description below. I'm doing a sale for all of July, right, where you can get a discount on traffic, right? So this store was designed from this funnel builder so you could create your own e-commerce products. And this is one of my products that I have right here. So if you look, it's very, very nicely designed for only $25 per month. So it's way better than high level and ClickFunnels and things like that. And I like to keep things simple. So I don't like to do too much complex stuff and things like that. And when you get the funnel builder tool, you also get 2 weeks free of premium traffic and conversion. So in this portion right here, we teach you, traffic strategies of how to do different things. So we have all different kinds of strategies right here. We show you how to launch your business. We show you how to invite people. We show you how to get unlimited leads with Facebook. We show you how to follow up with your leads. We show you how to do short form video. We show you how to do YouTube ranking for your videos. We show you how to get more people to your videos. We show you how to do Facebook advertising for free. We show you how to do podcasting. We show you how to do LinkedIn and get leads off LinkedIn. We show you how to do Facebook Lives, blogging for business, how to sell your own products and do a launch. So here's a launch challenge and how to actually do the launch the right way. And then we have page strategies right here. The page strategies are, low cost lead generation if you have a business, solo ad training, text message marketing. So if you're using text messaging, that's how to actually do it. YouTube automation, which is what people are going bananas over right now, right? People love YouTube automation, Facebook ads, Facebook video ads, and then we show you how to get sales. And the cool thing about this is we have daily live hands-on coaching every single day, Monday through Friday. We go over the shoulder so people could watch us as we write emails. People could watch us as we create videos, how to create videos, how to rank the videos, how to get the videos out there so they're in the search engines, and then how to get traffic to them, right? So we show you how to do that, and we show you how to connect on Facebook and other social media platforms. So if you come on this TNC every single day, you're going to learn traffic strategies hands-on. And then right here we have a morning call to grow your mind. That's by phone. You can call in. And then we have the Monday night mastermind where we bring people out who share their strategies of what they're doing. So there are people in our community who share their strategies. That's on Monday night. So there's actually 3 calls. So this is tons of support on Monday. And every single day we have a call. So You're never left behind. You always get support, and you get access to the Traffic and Conversions Academy. When you get the funnel builder tool, you just click the box for 2 weeks free of coaching, and you're able to use that to build any kind of business, because we teach you real marketing and we don't leave anything um, off the table, right? We show you everything and we don't hide anything, right? So you could ask your questions every single day live by Zoom. Now, other platforms charge thousands of dollars to do something like this, and they don't even have daily coaching. We have daily coaching. This is the best coaching that you're going to find online right now without spending thousands of dollars to be able to get it, right? So this has tons and tons of value. And yeah, I would suggest, if you're ready to get started, make sure you click on the link below this video. And there's also going to be a link to my traffic store below this video if you want to get some high quality traffic to your offers. You could go and order a package and support the store, and you could set up a strategy call with me to talk more about your marketing and your marketing strategies. I do a call with anybody who orders a traffic package from me. If you have any questions, you could leave your questions under this video, or you can write me in here and it will go to my support box. So make sure you leave your questions, and you could also connect with me on Facebook. There's going to be a link below this video to get into my free Facebook group, where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. So you could actually connect with me on Facebook as well. I am Facebook verified, so make sure you reach out. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any times that I upload new videos. All right, I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.